Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariowit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create a diamond armor in Minecraft. So you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So you must have 24 diamonds to create full armor, and now you must have crafting, and now we enter in the crafting, and now 4 diamonds are required to create diamond boots, 7 diamonds to diamond leggings, 8 diamonds to chest plate, and 5 diamonds to helmet. Okay, and you have full set armor diamond in Minecraft. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, and I will also invite you for my other tutorials for beginners and for advanced Minecraft player. That's all. Bye bye.